I didn't get into this stuff to make a book. I got into this stuff to make a living. You know what I mean? So I'm even surprised by it when I see the book out there. It's been 2.5 years since the book came out. And when I walked up on the table today, I was like, oh, there's my book. I forgot. To be open to working hard and not lamenting when a client makes a change. I heard someone saying today something about, don't you hate it when those clients make those changes? So what? If that's the height of what sucks to be a graphic designer, that's nothing. You know what I mean? It's to have a bigger understanding of how lucky we are. To be thankful, because you look right across the street and those guys are building buildings. They're outside, they're banging on shit, things are sharp. And yet we're complaining that clients ask us to make changes. That's the process, until they start to like it. That's our job to be good about that. Not everyone's going to just let you do whatever you want. So I think a lot of it is just to be aware. Be aware of how lucky we are. It's okay to work hard. It's okay to go extra, to go the extra mile when you might not even get paid for it. So what? We get away with so much. Every now and again you're going to have to go late, and it's going to be rough, and you're going to have your heart broken. Just understanding that, understanding that, being open to all of that. Instead of being closed and saying it needs to be this way, I need to make this much, it's all a sliding scale on everything. So be open to that, and then be creative in how you solve it. That's it. I try to be, Riding on a unicorn or flying on a dragon. That better be one strong unicorn to carry this big gorilla right here. Probably a unicorn. Smoother. Shitting out rainbows and stuff. Three books I would recommend. I would recommend anything by Saul Bass, my favorite logo designer. Anything to do with Herb Lubalin, There's lots of books for these guys. Pick any of them, they all kind of work. Lance Wyman, I'm a logo designer. I like to make logos, so I like to see the moves these guys make, and it's like I study the way those guys work and how they would sketch, and Paul Rand, and but that's all. These are kind of like these old pillars of graphic design. You know what I mean? They're kind of like old guys. But I'll just say, get out there and look around. There's lots of books you've never heard of, and there's lots of, go buy that Jessica Hish book. That thing's awesome. Go buy that book by John Contino. Those are like sort of my contemporaries, maybe. And it's like those guys got to make a book. Like I forget, shit, I got to make a book. I didn't get into this stuff to make a book. I got into this stuff to make a living. You know what I mean? So I'm even surprised by it when I see the book out there. It's been 2.5 years since the book came out. And when I walked up on the table today, I was like, oh, there's my book. I forgot, and so another book, top 3 books. How about the top 4? Go buy Draplin Design Company, pretty much everything. Enough of the questions, all right? You guys go to draplin.com right now and go dig into all that bullshit. Go to fieldnotesbrand.com. Check out all my new Skillshares. What else? There's all kinds of other stuff. Just come to my Instagram at Draplin. And, thank you.